Okay, so brooding chicks. When you first get the chicks out of the incubator, you obviously want to have your brooder all ready to go. Have your light set up. I have I think it's like a 275 watt heat lamp. Or actually that one might be 275. This one might be a little bit less. I don't remember. Anyways, you're gonna want to take them when you take them out of the incubator and put them into the brooder. They're not gonna know where to get their water from, so you're gonna want to take them, and every single one of them, you're gonna want to pull them out of the incubator and dip their beak in the water so that they know where to drink from. And when you put your light on, if they're all crowding together in a great big clump under the light, that's because they're too cold. And if they're all spread around the edges of the brooder, that means your light's too close, so you need to bring your light away. I don't ever put a thermometer in there because I just go off of how the birds react to the light. I get it nice and warm for them, and the older they get, the less heat they need. After about 3 weeks, in the summertime at least, after 3 weeks you can remove the light and put them outside into the grow out cages. And for the food, or here for the water, once you establish that they all know where the water is, I just give them a little reminder by going like that, and they all run over. And for the food, don't touch, mister. No, not yet. Here. For the food, we just take a handful and toss it in. That's it, no more. And I try to put try to sprinkle it down on top of their food dish so that they know where to eat. And once they see each other eating and drinking, then the other ones pick up on it. So that's how I brood my quail chicks. If you learned anything, go ahead and give a like, and if you want more content like this, feel free to subscribe. God bless. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there, guys. Ciao.